Welcome to Mr. Kitchen today. First of all, I would like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers. If you're wondering how to subscribe, should I subscribe? Yes, you should subscribe to Mr. Kitchen. That's all you have to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you will subscribe to Mr. Kitchen. First of all, I'd like to thank everybody for watching, leaving all the good comments and everything, and hope I've been getting back to you best to my knowledge and everything. People have been leaving different things on my channel, asking me, can you do frozen things in the Power XL? Can you do pizza? I'm trying to, they left a couple comments saying they trying to do a pizza in the Power XL. They want the bottom of the pizza brown too. So today, I'll be demonstrating on how to bake a pizza in the Power XL. Of course, Mr. Belle have a homemade pizza on the Power XL, but this one right here, I brought out the store. It's still frozen. I'm gonna put it in the Power XL. It's gonna be a very short video. I'm gonna put it in while it's frozen and see if we can make that bottom of the pizza brown and make it nice and good and delicious. I have a lot of people watching my channel and everything, so I try to get back to them to best to my knowledge, and thanks for all the good comments and everything. They might be in a hurry and just want to put something in the Power XL and see can they do it right away and get it nice and good, or they might be a college student. I have a lot of college students watching my videos using the Power XL, so I'm trying to get back to the best of my knowledge so I can get to them and so they can see it's easy, how easy it is to do it in the Power XL. So I'm going to start this video right here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to start it right here with putting this on bake. Put it on bake, press the temperature. I'm gonna set temperature for 375. 375. 375. I'm gonna hit my temperature, and I'm gonna just set this. I'm gonna hit my minutes. I'm gonna just put 15 minutes. I'm not gonna use all of it. I'll probably do. But it depends on what you're cooking and how you're doing it in the frozen. So after you see this video, I hope it be successful. And I'm gonna press start for 15 minutes. I'm gonna let it preheat. And I hope this video be successful and help you out in a lot of different things, not just pizza frozen, different things they sell frozen you might like. So Mr. Belle just gonna do a quick video on that. Let me get this pizza. As you see, I have a nice frozen pizza right here. And this is a pretty nice size pizza. It's frozen and everything. So I'm gonna just take it out just like this and show it to you. It's nice and frozen and everything. As you see, we're gonna try to get this bottom part brown and everything. So we'll be sitting this pizza in there and see how this pizza come out. It's a nice thin pizza. It's not really no big pizza. I was trying to find a nice size one to sit in the Power XL so it don't mess up or nothing like that. But this right here is just a pepperoni and sausage pizza. So I'm gonna let that preheat, and when it say add food, I'll be right back. Okay, it say add food, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna raise it up, and I'm gonna take this pizza, and I'm gonna just sit it right in there. I'm gonna take it out, and everything, as you see, and I'm gonna just put it in just like that, and push that down there, and I'm gonna sit this top down, and I'm gonna press start again. And you see it's on 15 minutes, so we're gonna see how this come out. You know, Mr. Belle like taking you step by step. We'll be looking at it together. You might not see my face in a couple minutes, but I'm gonna bring my camera just a little bit closer so you could get an idea of how it looked too while it's in the Power XL. Okay, it's been 3 minutes. We're gonna take a peep at it and see how it's looking. As you see, I'm gonna tilt it a little so you can see it even better. As you see, it's cooking good and everything, so I'm gonna set the top down, let it cook just a little bit more. Let that cook. It should come out pretty nice and good. Pizza be ready to eat. So it's been 5 minutes so far, so I'm gonna look at this pizza. This pizza is done. So I'm gonna press cancel. And press cancel, and I'm gonna take this pizza out. It's done. Like I say, this right here was a very thin pizza and everything. So the pizza is very thin and everything. So I'm just gonna try my best to take it out like this. And this was a big size pizza. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set it right here. As you see, I took it out nice and good. So I'm gonna let it sit for a minute, and I'm gonna cut it and see if it's crispy. And I'm shut this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut it. As you see, it's looking good. So I'm gonna just take my cutter and just cut it just like that. Like I say, I was trying to get the right size of this pizza and everything. So I'm just gonna take it and cut it just like this. It's hot, but it'll be fine. And you can cook just about your frozen stuff. You know, I only use 5 minutes of it. For the time, just put it like that. This pizza is. So I'm gonna taste it. It's a little crispy, but the bottom is just a little crispy, a little hard, not hard as you might want it to be, but it's pretty hard at the back. So this is the frozen pizza. And that's Cooking with the Bells. We did it again. If you like it, leave a comment in the box. And if you don't know how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. Ding, hit that bell and you are subscribed to Mr. Beiie Kitchen. And I just wanted to do this frozen pizza because it was on the list to show people that you can cook in a Power XL with different frozen stuff. And this is, if you buy one a little bit smaller, it'll probably even get it a nice and brown at the bottom and crispy. You want that crispy, it's a little crispy. As you see, this is a very thin one. Thank you. Thank you for watching.